High winds can cause serious damage to your home. And today we're experiencing winds of 19 miles per hour. While this may not seem like a lot, it's important to understand the potential impact it can have on your property. So how fast do winds typically have to be to cause damage to your home? Well, that depends on a few factors, such as the age and condition of your roof and the strength and direction of the wind. Moderate winds can cause shingle damage, while higher wind velocities can result in significant structural damage to your roof. And that's where Roofing and More comes in. As a professional roofing company serving Northern Virginia, we specialize in inspecting, repairing, and replacing roofs damaged by high winds. Our experienced technicians are trained to identify any potential issues with your roof and provide a comprehensive assessment of its condition. And if roof repairs are needed, we'll work quickly to restore your roof to its original condition. In some cases, a full roof replacement may be necessary, but we'll provide a detailed estimate and work with you to find the best solution for your budget. And with 30 years of experience serving the Northern Virginia community, you can trust Roofing and More to provide quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. So don't wait until it's too late. Contact Roofing and More today to schedule your roof inspection and ensure your home is protected from high winds and other severe weather conditions. We are here and ready to deliver your exceptional experience. Call us today, 703-467-0206. That's 703-467-0206. When you expect more, you get more. Roofing and More, inc.com.
Roofing and More, what's the more for? Windows, siding, gutters, and doors.